we are reincarnating souls. If you go to Alpha now and ask them where you are from, where your chi came from your mother's or your father's side, they will tell you there was a side where they said, okay, this soul is about to come back. This soul is coming back from this place. Your chi can be from your maternal home. So a soul is coming and then it is cut short. Do you understand? A soul is coming to this world to do something. All their spirits know that they are coming. The ancestors know that they are coming. And then it is cut short. So yes, an abortion is considered shedding blood, or at the very least, preventing a lifetime. Yeah. So what you have to do is Ikwalu. And after Ikwalu, you make sure that you don't do it again. Maka. Ozemena. Yotago. Ime ozo. Ife foze wale.
I know no kwe kwensu. Akike ngachi.